how to disable the silent pop-up in your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. So one thing you can try is go ahead to your search bar and just search for registry editor. Go ahead and run that as administrator just to be sure. And then you're going to go ahead into Edge key current user, find software, and inside software, you should go into Adobe. Go ahead into Adobe, and then go to Adobe Acrobat. Open up DC, expand that, and find workflows. In your workflows, you're going to have to make a new dword. So go ahead and right click on workflows, press on new, and choose dword, the 32-bit value one. And then from here, what you're going to do is type this in for the name, which is B enable. Then just go ahead and put in Acrobat HS, like so. Then go ahead and press an enter, right click and modify. So make sure the value data is set to 0 and just go ahead and press an OK. And once that is all set, you can go ahead and restart your computer or PC and try reopening your Adobe Acrobat. So that's one option you can try. So hopefully this video works for you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.